Alrighty, it's DVFD Cummins Redneck here today, and we are going to be putting a 48-inch plow on a MTD yard machines. We'll go underneath here. As you can see, there's brackets. So let me set you up. See if you can see. Alright. And we are going to take bolt. Let's see how we're gonna do this. My first time, I've only owned this tractor for a while. Oh, we gotta go forward about 2 inches. Oh, face down in the dirt. So now it's just a matter of getting the bolt through all 6 of the pieces. Let me... Improper use of tools, but it won't hurt them too much. I hope not. And put the nut. Oh crap, it didn't come through. Haha, face down again. This is very hot. Oh, stuck. Having technical difficulties now. There we go. Once you get it on there, it's not too bad. Make sure I'm tightening it. Oh, that's all the way up there. You probably want it tight, but not too tight, so you won't be able to lift the blade up. Go just a little more. That should be good there. Okay, now we'll put the big bolt through. That hooks the, these are the linkage for, this is the linkage for the lift. So, put you down here, put it through. All the way through to the other side. And down. Trying to do this with my camera battery almost about to die. And that's how you put the plow on the model 14AJ835P352 automatic garden tractor. Alrighty.